In this standard EE4A, we will learn how to solve two-step equations. Okay, so to solve a two-step equation, step one, follow the order of operations in the opposite order. Now you know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, where you parentheses first, exponents, multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. But with a two-step equation, you want to work backwards. Okay, so in this problem, 3x plus 10 equals 22. I want to work backwards. So my first step is to subtract the 10 because that's the inverse operation. I'm going to subtract the 10 from one side of the equation to the other. Okay, this is just like a one-step equation from 6th grade, except you're doing it with two steps now. And then you combine 22 minus 10 and you get 3x equals 12. Now I have a new problem. 3 times x equals 12. Now you're back in the 6th grade, solve for x. Multiplication is occurring, so the inverse operation is division. Divide 3 to both sides. X equals 4. So in this problem, x equals 4. Okay? Steps to solving two-step equations. So in this problem, you would, I don't like that problem. Let's do this one. Okay, 6x plus 32 equals 3. Okay, if you're doing along with me, our first step that we need to get rid of is the 32 because it's adding. So you subtract 32 to both sides because that's the inverse operation. And you have 32 minus 3 minus 32. Of course, that's a negative, so you get 6x equals negative 29. Divide 6 to both sides, and you're done. X equals negative 29 over 6. Okay, now let's have one like this. Okay, the first thing we're going to get rid of is the 2 because it's adding and subtracting, so I add 2 to both sides. I get x over 3 equals 7. Multiply 3 to both sides. X equals 21. Now, you might also see some three-step equations. They look like this. Okay? First step I got to do is distribute. I can't really do any inverse operations yet. I'm going to distribute first. I'm going to get 3x plus 6 equals 18. Now I'm at my two-step equation mark, okay? So I've got to get rid of the 6 first because it's adding or subtracting. So subtract 6 to both sides. 3x equals 12. I now have a one-step equation. Divide 3 to both sides. X equals 4.